Healthy cookies in an air fryer? Yep, it's a thing, and it's amazing. Imagine a warm cookie, crispy outside, soft inside, but without the guilt of sugar overload or butter bombs. Let me walk you through this game changer. First, you're skipping the oven preheat. That saves you at least 10 to 15 minutes and an unnecessary spike in your energy bill. Air fryers heat in seconds, and cookies bake in less than 10 minutes. Efficiency meets cravings. Start with the basic ingredients for almost any healthy cookie recipe. Almond flour or oat flour, coconut oil, a natural sweetener like maple syrup, and a favorite add-in, dark chocolate chunks, are a personal favorite. No eggs needed. Mix the almond flour, a pinch of salt, and a bit of baking powder in a bowl. For sweetness, combine about 2 to 3 tablespoons of maple syrup with 2 tablespoons of melted coconut oil. That's your simple, wet and dry blend. Here's where the air fryer magic begins. Take a tablespoon of the dough, roll it into a ball, and then flatten it slightly. This helps prevent your cookie from puffing up into a weird biscuit situation. Trust me, I've been there. Line your air fryer basket with parchment paper. This is crucial. Don't just grease the basket or your cookies will weld to it. Air fryers love to test your patience if you skip details like this. Pro tip, cut parchment into circles to fit perfectly. Set the air fryer to 320 degrees Fahrenheit. Why not higher? Because higher temps will scorch the cookies outside while leaving the centers raw. At 320 degrees Fahrenheit, you get that golden color and perfect texture after 8 to 10 minutes. Halfway through, check your cookies. Give the tray a little spin so they cook evenly. Air fryers have hot spots, and you don't want one cookie browning faster than the others. Uneven cookies are a rookie move. When the timer beeps, pull them out and let them cool for 5 minutes. I know waiting is hard, but those last few minutes outside the fryer are key. They'll firm up as they cool and develop better flavor. Still not sold? Each cookie is around 100 to 120 calories if you keep them modestly portioned. That's a fraction of the calorie count of store-bought cookies. Plus, you know exactly what's inside. No mystery ingredients. You can also customize. Swap chocolate for dried cranberries or shredded coconut, or toss in chia seeds for an omega-3 boost. The flexibility is insane, and the air fryer handles all these variations like a champ. The next time you're craving cookies, ditch the store-bought stuff and give this recipe a try. It's healthier, faster, and honestly more fun to make. Plus, when someone asks, "Where'd you get these?" you'll feel like a wizard.